question number 2 says, an IV of 1.2 liters is to infuse over 18 hours on a set calibrated at 10 GTT per milliliter. Find the rate. So we need to be careful here because the amount specifically needs to be in mLs. So I need to convert 1.2 liters to 1200 mLs. And then the time needs to be in minutes. So I need to convert 18 hours to 1080 minutes. And then I should be able to plug those numbers into my formula. So 1200 times 10 divided by 1080 is 11.1 repeating, but we always round this to the nearest whole number. So it will be 11 GTT per minute.